Drones, hailed as the technological trailblazers of the modern era, have transformed industries ranging from agriculture to filmmaking through their aerial prowess and versatility. In this video, we'll take a look at the best drones under $200 that are available on the market today. We've carefully put together this list of featured drones based on market research, including customer reviews and feedback, that offer the most value for your money. For more information and the latest prices of the mentioned products, you can visit the links found in the description box below. Now, let's dive in. The fifth product on the list is the DRONEEYE 4DF3 GPS drone. The DRONEEYE GPS drone is a foldable quadcopter that is perfect for beginners and experienced drone pilots. It comes with a 4K camera that captures high-quality photos and videos. The drone is equipped with GPS and 5G FPV live video, which allows you to fly the drone with ease and precision. The modularized and powerful battery provides up to 60 minutes of flight time, making it one of the best drones in the market. Up next in fourth place is the SYMA X500 4K drone. The SYMA drone is a foldable quadcopter that is perfect for beginners and experienced drone pilots. It comes with a 4K UHD camera that captures high-quality photos and videos from the air. The drone is equipped with GPS and 5 GHz FPV live video, which allows you to fly the drone with ease and precision. The modularized and powerful battery provides up to 56 minutes of flight time, making it one of the best drones on the market. The third product on this list is the Holystone HS175D GPS drone. The Holystone drone is lightweight and foldable and offers a range of features at an affordable price. With its 4K camera and 120 degrees wide-angle lens, you can capture high-resolution photos and videos from unique perspectives. The drone is equipped with GPS positioning, allowing for accurate location tracking and automatic return to home when the signal is lost or the battery is low. It also features 5 GHz FPV transmission, providing stabilized and smooth live videos on your phone. The second product on our list is the Potensic T25 2K drone. The Potensic drone is an affordable, intelligent and is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. With a 2K camera that can capture stunning aerial footage and photos, this drone is packed with features and offers exceptional value for money. The camera can be adjusted remotely, allowing you to capture footage from a variety of angles. The drone also features GPS Assist Fly, Follow Me mode, and dual GPS, which free your hands while the GPS drone automatically follows you. It is easy to fly and comes with 3 batteries, a carrying backpack, and auto-return home, Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, and Altitude Hold features. Wrapping it up at number 1 on the list is the Holystone HS110G Quadcopter Drone. The Holystone Quadcopter Drone is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced drone pilots alike. It combines sophistication with affordability, making it a great pick for those who want to learn the ins and outs of drone flying without breaking the bank. The drone comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, which allows you to capture high-quality photos and videos from the air. It is easy to fly and hovers nicely once you get the trim dialed in, which makes it a great pick for novice flyers who want to take videos. The drone also comes with a range of features, including gesture control, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3D flips, which make it a versatile and fun drone to fly. So, there you have it. This concludes our list of the best drones under $200. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. To see more about these products, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.